Hello, welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. Today we'll be making nice panna cotta. And don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. There's 2 cups in there and 2.5 cups of cream, heavy cream. Definitely not diet food. And that's a half a cup of sugar dumped in with the cream. One and a half teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, dang. Alright, teaspoon and a half. Vanilla, a little bit more. I like a little extra. And what we're going to do is bring this to a boil, so I'll meet you over at the stove. So I'm going to bring this to a boil. Cream, you gotta keep an eye on it because it'll once it boils, it'll bubble over quite quickly. So yeah, panna cotta is a very traditional Italian dessert. Fairly simple to make, but so tasty. Such a fun thing to make. Yeah, just waiting for the cream to boil, and then we'll add the milk and the gelatin. And I added just a couple more tablespoons of milk because the gelatin was a bit thick, so I decided to do that. And we'll just wait for this to come to a boil. Add it for cook it for a minute, and I'll show you the next step. So the cream is slowly coming to boil. It bubbles up pretty fast, so you want to kind of watch it. That's the cream, sugar, and vanilla in there. It's all right. Gelatin. That was a gelatin and mixture there. Like that. Yeah. Stir. Stir this for like a minute. Stir. The countdown. 15 seconds. Get some humor in there, right? Stir. Stir. And it is complete. There we go. Now, so we're going to take our cream mixture, and we have the ramekins there. Evenly toss the lovely panna cotta in here. Try to do evenly distributed. All right. 4 lovely panna cottas. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let these set in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow morning I'll show you the final plating on our beautiful, lovely panna cottas. So let's let them set, and I'll show you what we're going to do with them in the morning to make them all like sexy and pretty. Icing sugar. A little bit of mint. Spread out the. There we go. There's your panna cotta, and we'll dig in. Consistency of it. Yeah, it's great. Every dish I make, especially with like panna cotta, the last time I made it, it wasn't that. It was okay. I just didn't put enough gelatin, but this time it was like perfect amount. So it's just so creamy and delicious. Mm. Mm. And that's panna cotta, some berries, vanilla panna cotta. It's so good. Good breakfast. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, which is right there. That's a picture of me. Just click that, and that's how to subscribe. And don't forget to like, which is down below. And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as I said, there's lots more coming. So I hope you enjoyed. And thanks for watching.